Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add live chat to Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and here is the look of my website currently. And adding a live chat is a useful feature so that you can talk to your customers about if they have any questions when navigating your website. So from here, we will click on the app market right here in the sidebar. So click on it, and then we will search for a feature or an application that is Wix Chat. Then from here, we will install this application. So just click on it and then click on Add to Site. Then we'll just wait for it to be installed to our website. And then now we already have our live chat in our website. So as you can see, it is pinned right here at the bottom right. And then when I click on preview, so it follows us whenever we scroll throughout our website. And then when we click on it, we can converse with our customers. As you can see, I already have a message. So if I add a message right here, like that, and then I can go back to editing my website. And then if I want to reply to that message, let's just click the live chat right here and then open inbox. Then we'll just wait for this to be loaded. And then from here, we can just click on the chat. And then, for example, I will reply. And click on send. And then that will be reflected in the live chat. So for example, I preview the website again and open the live chat. You can see that we have replied to the user. And then that is how we use the live chat in our website. If you want to edit the look of your live chat, you can just click on settings. Then from here, you can go to display and then choose if you want the live chat to be located at the bottom right or the bottom left. But I prefer the bottom right since that is more common in today's websites. For the new message display, you can change if the chat box will automatically open for new messages, or they can just show a bubble notification. And then for the chat visibility, you can show this in all pages, or you can show this in specific pages only. And then if for specific pages, you can just select the pages right here. But I will just select all pages. For the design, you can insert your business logo right here. So for example, I will click on update logo and I will choose my photo right here. If you have your own logo, you can just click on upload media and then upload your image right here. And then I can just click on add to page, and then now we can see that the chat box has this image beside it. And then we can also customize the minimize chat. So if you want this layout, or if you choose the middle one, it is stuck to the bottom, or this one where it is like a circle icon. Then for the background, you can change this into different colors that you want. For example, color green. And then for the text and icon, you can change this into different colors that you want as well. And then for the display chat icon, you can change this into different styles. For example, this one, or this other icon, or that one. So it just depends on your preference. Or this one is your logo. Then I'll just choose this one. Going back, we can also customize the background of the chat. For example, like that. We can also change the pattern opacity, and then the icon color, we can change this into a different color. And then the font as well. So we just need to play around with the different features right here. Then for the header, then for the border, then for the text. For example, I'll change this into live chat, then it will be reflected in the chat, our chat box right here. So I closed the settings. Let me just click on it again. And then for the text, then for the chat form, notifications, automation channels, and support. Then when I click on preview again, all of the changes is reflected into our website, as you can see right here. And then that is it. That is how we add a live chat to Wix Studio. Hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.